Everything that is explained in this video is summarized from the CoinMarketCap. And also, please don't forget to support my channel for more XRP updates and some other cryptocurrencies as a whole. Now, take a look at this. Ripple VSXE settlement in the next 24 hours. XRP price feels the heat. Will Ripple and the SEC reach a settlement within the next 24 hours? Prices of XRP are feeling the heat. First posted on the FinTech news section of Coinpedia. During the crucial meeting that took place today between Ripple and the SEC, everyone's attention was focused on the likelihood of a settlement. This gathering, which is being held behind closed doors, has piqued the interest of cryptocurrency aficionados as well as investors. Recent events provide evidence that negotiations are now taking place between the two parties. Nevertheless, the outcome is yet unknown, particularly because the pretrial meeting is set to take place. What you need to know is presented here. In the shadows of the door, closed-off room regular meetings of the Securities and Exchange Commission C bring together high-ranking officials such as commissioners as well as essential staff members. No matter whether they take place in Washington, D.C. or virtually, these gatherings are kept a secret from the public. Given the significance of today's conference, there is a great deal of conjecture going around in the cryptocurrency community over the probability of a settlement. At this moment, are Ripple and the SEC on the verge of settling? Even though I have been asked this question hundreds of times, I am unable to provide an answer. To answer your question, yes, it is feasible. However, there is another rabbit that could jump out of the CC's hat. The SEC and Ripple will hold a final preliminary meeting today, which is the 16th. A picture of Despot Risk on Twitter in the case of the Securities and Exchange Commission versus Ripple. Ripple has achieved several successes, yet it is being accused of breaking securities regulations through the sale of XRP. Today, the focus is on establishing penalties with the Securities and Exchange Commission demanding over $2 billion from Ripple. Ripple is faced with a challenging decision about this substantial fine. Either sell off XRP in big quantities, which may potentially cause the market to fall, or sell the entire company in order to cover the total amount of the fine. The response from Ripple on April 22 and the response from the SEC on May 6 will prepare the path for the final decision that the court will make if a settlement is not successfully achieved today. In addition to complicating problems for Ripple, Coinbase's decision to pursue an interlocutory appeal in the Second Circuit Court of Appeals has further muddled the situation. An essential component that has the potential to have a substantial influence on the cryptocurrency business is the definition of an investment contract, which is the subject of this appeal. The conclusion of this appeal may set significant legal precedents that will have an impact on existing disputes, such as the case between Ripple and the SEC. Constraints on the market for XRP. The price of XRP has been under pressure, falling below critical support levels amid heightened market volatility. There have been several factors that have contributed to this fall, including worries around Ripple's quarterly release of XR tokens from escrow and uncertainty regarding the outcome of the litigation. Be sure to check out. XR price experiences the greatest decrease ever. Is it appropriate to store Ripple tokens at this moment in time? There is an increasing interest in XRP futures among derivatives traders, which indicates that there may be possible price moves. This interest is occurring despite the downturn. Additionally, the growth of active XRPL liquidity pools is a sign of continuous participation in the network. Even though there are concerns, Coinpedia FinTech News was the first publication to publish the article All Eyes on Ripple V's SEC final arguments to determine XR price. Ripple's token, XRP, is now trading at a price that is at a crossroads, hovering around the 50 cents mark. What is the reason? The final dance that Ripple will perform with the Securities and Exchange Commission C before their forthcoming trial, with the expectation of a speedy resolution. The outcome of this meeting has the potential to change the price of XRP. However, the future is cloudy because it is unclear how the Securities and Exchange Commission will respond to the judge's decision about the security status of XRP. For 50 cents, XRP is at a crossroads. Will it continue to rise or fall? Economic analysis of XRP. It is difficult for XRP to breach the 50 cents threshold, which indicates that there may be downward pressure if it is unsuccessful. There is a possibility that the support levels at 4,717 cents and 4,188 cents have a role. On the other hand, a successful breach might set off a bullish surge with the ultimate goal of reaching 5,310 cents and higher. The concluding pretrial conference has the power to influence the short-term trajectory of XRP, as well as the sentiment of investors and the dynamics of the market. There is a great deal of significance attached to the outcome of the lawsuit for the market for XRP. The cryptocurrency received some respite as a result of Judge Torres's decision to confirm that XRP is not a security. However, it is still unclear whether the SEC will appeal the verdict. Any modifications to the case, such as discussions of a settlement or restrictions that are more transparent, have the potential to influence the price of XRP as well as how people feel about it. Throughout the weekend, the cryptocurrency market experienced a significant decline, with Bitcoin reaching a low of $60,979 at one point. In addition, Ripple X5 had a loss of 22 which was its largest decline since August 2023. Traders' attention was drawn to XRP despite the bearish trend since it maintained support above a crucial level. This phenomenon occurred in the midst of market turbulence. Throughout the last weekend, the cryptocurrency market went through a large correction, and the industry as a whole witnessed a substantial amount of liquidation during this period. Due to the tremendous bearish effect that is presently dominating the cryptocurrency field, Bitcoin, the market leader, set a low of $60,979. This highlights the situation. A loss of 22 over the previous 7 days has been recorded by the Ripple altcoin, which is the largest weekly decrease it has had since August 2023. This decline was not immune to the current economic climate. Even though there was bearish pressure, bulls in the XRP market were able to keep the price above a significant support level, which indicates that there was solid resistance at that point. This resiliency has captured the attention of market participants who are keeping a careful eye on the price behavior of XRP despite the continuous volatility in the market. Ripple maintains its position above the crucial support. A negative start to the year 2024 was recorded by Ripple, which had a correction of 21.10 during the first month of the year after reaching a low of 4,856 cents. However, the bulls were able to regain momentum and accelerate the price by roughly 50% by the 12th of March. However, they were met with resistance at the level of 7,225 cents, which caused them to be rejected. Because of this rejection, the bulls lost their impetus and XRP broke through its support level, which resulted in a period of consolidation that lasted for approximately 1 month and occurred between 5,605 cents and 6,710 cents. In response to the intensification of market volatility, the bulls lost additional ground, which led to, as they unfold, paying particular attention to technical indications to improve their ability to forecast future development trends. The information that has been provided is not intended to be trading advice. There is no responsibility for any investments that are made based on the information that is provided on this page. Before making any decision about investments, we strongly advise conducting independent research and consulting with a knowledgeable professional.